wins the sprint. Max Verstappen comes home to take second.
What did you say, punk?
Go.
Fourth third, and a very fine third for Daniel Ricciardo in the McLaren. His teammate Lando Norris next across the line. He's the one that kept Lewis Hamilton at bay. Hamilton started on the front row, comes home to finish fifth. He'll start on the
Why?
second row for the Italian.
Go.
Behind them will come the two Ferraris and Charles Leclerc.
Go. It's your turn.
All the way to the line is Antonio Giovinazzi. He finishes eighth.
Great driving.
Lance Stroll will finish 10th ahead of Alonso.
Well, this is fucking brilliant. There's nowhere to go. Go now, quick. Go. Go! What the fuck? There was so much time to go.
It is a suit for a declaratory judgment, declaring that the law is invalid. One of those grounds may be that it is ultra-virus. We've talked about that in the past. But there are various ways that
Wow.
you can sue the
Wow, what a dick. Both of them.
And say, you did not have the authority, or you would suck. Which they do. And by that, I mean the government.
Oh, for sure. Yeah.
Wow.
I don't think we.
Don't you love that?
I know. I think people.
You're in the bike lane.
Stuff like screw Texas, them Texans, blah blah blah, and it's like we want to make very clear on this show that we love, especially everybody on the left. It's like, those are the good guys, and then the red states are the bad. It's like, okay, yes, the people in government, people.
Hey, that's a bike lane you're parked in. That doesn't mean you can park wherever you want. It is my business. Wrong way. Wrong way. Oh my God. Bike in the street. Nope. Oh my God. Really? That's incredible. This is simply incredible. Look at that. Look at that. The way he pulled in makes me wish your dad pulled out. Go. Let's take our time.
Video with like, I used to be an atheist I was a hardcore atheist for this.
That looks incredibly safe.
There you go. Or mental states. You're not. You have to decipher that the revelation is actually coming from
Turn
the
signal.
and so there's no like justification. It's just a belief, right? It's just
Good job.
justification.
Parked in the bike
Be
lane.
successful, right?
Open spot right next to you.
Because in virtue of what they're saying.
Ooh. That was close.
Can spread, but in my case, an unmatched person did. So, like, what are we doing here? What are we doing?
What the fuck? You need to get that fixed, yo.
Yes.
It's so much more fun.
How has your week gone?
I don't know what happened this week. I've lost all track of time, but
Like measuring time in
Also, wait for pedestrians, asshole. Yep. Go ahead.
My grandpa died. I love you. I love you. Just, you know, has great feet. Yeah, it's a weird moment with Eric Roberts.
Really?
The whole point is that just Court Mertson comes up and he just says like, so.
Really? Good job. Parking spot right there. Nope, too difficult.
Very nice.
Rebellion.
Just real
That
quick,
van up
quick
there
question here
is
before we
stopped
start.
in the
Yes.
traffic lane.
Are we
I
sure
can
that
see some
night
open parking
is
spots
spelled N-I-T-E?
just up ahead.
God, Nick, yes. We have been over this.
Okay, yeah, I'm just clarifying.
Let's
since
see
over
if
here
they
is spelled
move
night,
by the
like
time I
night
get up there.
Rider, and then fire like
If
F-Y-R-E,
not,
like how
they'll
it's
move
spelled.
once I push them out of the way.
That's too much. That's too much. That's too
Okay,
rebellious.
we're figuring it out. So don't worry.
So for episode 2, we have second chapter of Acts as our musical guest.
Oh, I thought we had DeGarmo and Key.
I feel we can have both. We'll just only acknowledge one of them. It's a great idea.
Yeah, it's just like their career.
Okay, and for sketches.
Okay, I wrote a sketch where it's like,
Go.
I'm overbilling.
Keep doing this. Is it possible that in this show,
Nope.
you can let me include my
There's open
favorite
spots up there, right?
Yeah.
comedy gold?
Yeah, you know what? I think we can use it. And then I am gonna ski race up this Jennifer.
See, he gets it.
Dude, I'm gonna ski race Jennifer.
Go.
That's non-negotiable.
The worst.
Look, got your name on it.
Right?
Or not. Thank you, man. You get it. You get it. You get it.
Because I think that the people who are theists need to know that if there was a God, that's what I'm saying, if there was a God, that God has updated his mind.
How do you know that?
I know that to me because I had a couple
There's a
of
bike lane right here.
atheist realists
Bike lane.
and some flashbacks.
You're an atheist realist who is going to cite dreams and flashbacks as to why you think God has updated his mind. I'm going to save you up on the screen. These are people who are screening calls and working on audio and working on video and doing everything. There's also
You're parked in the bike lane.
people taking notes.
Parking's back there.
Moderators over in the chat. And there's one member of the crew who's not
Just
there
gives a thumbs
right
up at me.
Well, let's get on to something that's relevant to the show. You and I can visit about this another time.
Ooh, that one exploded real good. Ooh, look at that cool kid. Not your light, dumb shits. What are you doing? Oh my god. Cheater. miss my turns. Let's block traffic. Hey, shit. Oh, that was first. Is it two-way? I don't think this is a two-way. No, it's not. I didn't even realize.
Competition between musical and non-musical segments. This is a musical, but it's sort of.
Whoa! Red light, buddy. I thought that was about to be an accident.
Dude, so last weekend we went to
There's nowhere to go. I've been in this exact spot, and oh, you gonna cheat now? Okay. Good job.
Had whatever poor, underpaid, $25
Oh, fun.
making bills.
Oh my god.
Yeah, car ran off in there. I can go up here?
Yeah, you gotta go up the hill.
Okay, thank you. Oh. Wow, nice stop. Guess stop signs don't apply to you.
Roberts was able to get their name in the national news and probably use that to get more donations. And that was made possible by two things. First of all, they get
See, that's actually driving a house.
athletes that's worth way more
And
than
there was tons of room.
Definitely
We confidently passed each
That's
other.
a whole other problem. But also, ORU is being gifted a giant valuable platform by the NCAA, even though the school's bigot rules are in direct violation of the NCAA's very own stated values about LGBTQ inclusion.
Right. Right, like, isn't it enough that we let them use the fucking you?
That's a gift. Yeah, and oral. So, it was...
3 days later.
Oh my god, the people behind me are stopped too. No parking anytime.
What's that?
No parking anytime.
I'm not parking.
Yeah, you are.
Well, maybe you should call the police.
Okay. They do come through here and give people tickets all the time.
Banker, which is exactly what you'd expect with Ward Hurt. Actually, Ward's back in, sorry. 12-yard pickup. Almost got to him. Now, on the run, throws.
What is happening?
That was Ward, remember.
Go, what are you waiting on? Jesus Christ. Every day. I don't know where I'm going, so let's just stop. Both sides can't get together, it is a disaster, and it's just really tough when both
It's awesome. It's nice and sunny here in Tennessee.
I seen this and I was like, oh my god, look at this dude fucking leave.
Good job.
It's weird. Like, you can't say, hey, you're not one of our pastors.
That's a great place to have a conversation.